Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for your return supporters. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video, get excited because we're going to be trying on a gorgeous clipping extension from GooGooHair extension. I don't know if you guys know them, but I did review extension for them on this channel before. So today we're going to be trying a clip in, and it's stunning, it's gorgeous. I already took out the box for check and make sure everything was in place for the video, but you know, I'm gonna try to add some pieces to my hair so you guys can see how you apply the clip in. Of course, I'm not gonna be able to apply the whole box, I think, because you know, I have a taping, you guys know, so that's gonna make it a little harder. But I just want to show you guys how gorgeous the hair extension is. You get a GooGoo hair clip. I love this hair clip. They are a lifesaver when you apply extension, any kind of extension. And here you have a little instruction manual that's, you know, is going to teach you how to apply, how to care for your different type of extension, different type of hair. And then you have the extension. So the extension comes in this little Ziploc bag. This one is a clip in, I think this is the color T38FT3613 22 inch. I think that's the color, I'm not sure, but anyway, when I be editing, I will make sure I try to have the color here on the screen for you guys, or it's going to be on the description of this video. So the hair does come inside with this little hair net, but like I told you guys, I opened it before, so that's why it was out of the net. But the hair is gorgeous. Okay, and they also send you 2 extra clip in case you need. It's gorgeous. I feel it's like kind of ombre balayage, because it's like, you know, brown on the roots and then blonde at the end. Oh, this looks so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. This is gorgeous. So quality of the hair is super silky. This is 100% human Ramy hair. You see, very healthy. You know, if the hair is not healthy, when you do this, it starts like a bunch of pieces coming out. And this hair is super thick on the end. You can see there is no like thinning in the end. Let's open this up so we can start trying on this beauty. So yeah, so if you're not familiar with the GooGooHair, they have a lot of different hair extension. They have clipping, tapings, you know, ponytails, different accessories. So if you want to try them out, I'm gonna link them right here so you guys can check them out. And if I have a discount code, also is going to be in the description of this video for you guys. This is an invisible extension, so you guys can see this band here. It's so thin, so you cannot see it on the hair. Let me open so I can tell you guys how many pieces. So you have one big piece. Okay, the big one there, you have 4 clips, then you have 3 clips here, all the 3 clips. So you have 1 piece of 4 clips, 2 pieces of 3 clips, 2 pieces of 2 clips, and 2 little one of 1 clip. So let's start with the 2 clips one. I think it's easier for me to apply. So for you apply, you definitely gonna you need a comb like this one, and one of the clips that comes in the box. Another the little ones. Yeah. Oh, this looks so beautiful. Alright, so now let's put the other piece on this side. That's so gorgeous, so beautiful. Let's add one more for the little one right here. Look how gorgeous. Love it. So beautiful. Look like I had like highlights done to my hair. See if we can add another 3 clip here. I think I cannot put another one here, otherwise it's going to be showing. The hair extension is like a 7-piece hair extension, but they are very pretty. Love it. And the clipping is good, you know, if you want to just add like some highlights to your hair too, you know. can use them for that because they are so pretty. Or you can add full volume, full length, for anything that you want. You know, sometimes you just want to change your look without, you know, destroying your hair. Clip-in extension is for you. If you don't like to put chemical in your hair, or cut your hair, or you cut your hair and you regret it, girl, this extension is your best friend. They're very pretty. Or if you want to do like, I don't know, a hairstyle, you can definitely also use them, because they're stunning. So what you guys think? I love it. If you guys want to know more about these clip-in hair extension, I'm going to add the link for GooGooHair on the description of this video, and you guys can check them out, and they're stunning. I am here in love with this hair extension. In love. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.